Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Rob, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is going to be the Pacific Blue color for this one. This one had 4 different variants. I went ahead and just picked the blue one just because it's pretty much my favorite color. But the main reason why I got this phone, and the only reason I'm really doing an unboxing, is because I have to switch phones. I had an Android phone for the past, I want to say 4 to 5 years, and it's gonna blow up on me. The main reason why I say that is because it has, let's say, battery expanding issues. The backing of my phone is pretty much peeling off, and it was, I'll let you know, it was the Samsung Galaxy S7. This was before the Note 7 incident, which this was before, all the Note 7s were pretty much exploding at the time, and I was really gonna get that phone when that phone came out and just sell the one that I got, but nope, it was the Samsung S7, which luckily didn't explode, but it did get hot at times. But now that my battery's expanding and pretty much my phone is in the danger zone, I just went ahead and got myself a new phone, and I just dabbled into the iOS ecosystem, trying it out myself and see how I like it. Obviously, you're going to see a lot of people doing unboxings for this phone. Mine isn't going to be any different. It's just to show you what the phone looks like and give you a different perspective of it. Me personally, I've always been an Android guy, but I'm not really shy of using the iOS ecosystem or Apple in general. I mean, I've always been an Apple user. I have a Mac. I've dabbled into iPods, but this is going to be my pretty much first iPhone experience. So having it in my hands and actually even using one is going to be a different experience compared to an Android. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and see what it's like on the inside. This is actually going to be the iPhone, the first ever iPhone that doesn't come with, I believe, the charging block. So pretty much all the iPhone's going to have is just the phone itself and then the charging wire, which is USB-C to Lightning, and then obviously the instructions and the sticker. So not really bad. I don't really complain about the box for that, for the charging, just because I think every household does have one in some case, one way or another. But it is good for the environment, saves on plastic, so I understand why Apple is doing away with that. Not really a deal breaker, but either way, it's really good for the environment, and I'm pretty sure it saves Apple a ton of cash either way. But let's go ahead and take a look at the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's go ahead and do whatever tech reviewer does and savor the peelies of a new tech product. So let's take a listen. Alrighty, now that it's out of its plastic shell, let's go ahead and take a look at what's on the inside and do a proper unboxing. Give it a little drum roll. There it is, the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is shiny. It is not that blue. It's more of like a mute blue, but that's fine. It's not like the iPhone XR or the old iPod Touches where they used to be like that royal scribble your face blue. This is more of a very mute, very calm before the storm ASMR type blue, which I don't mind. It's a nice color. So that being said, let's take a look at the instructions. It comes with the minimalist square instructions, which is very nice, very cool. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take this out, and here's that expensive sticker that only Apple can provide. The one that gets really gross and disgusting when you put it in the bumper of your car and it gets, rained on and stuff like that. And then here's the SIM tool in case you want to switch out your SIM card for another phone or even your iPhone. So that's really nice to have. Always keep it in your trunk drawer just in case you need it. And yeah, the instructions, which you don't really need. Just press the start button and the phone starts off on its own. So pretty nice. And then here is the one wire, so it's USB-C to Lightning, and yeah, it's really nice to have actually, because a lot of my Lightning port wires only have, I believe, just USB, not USB-C, so that's good to have in case I ever need it. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on with this. I thought this would have like some other thing in there, but nah, it's just the lid. So let's go ahead and move that junk and get to the grand finale, the iPhone. And to all my ASMR fans out there, I'm gonna go ahead and boost the audio. Let's go ahead and unpeel this brand new iPhone. Let's take a listen. And there it is, and oh hey, look at that. There's a good reflection on that phone, so hey, look at me. But yeah, I don't know what it is about peeling off new tech products with that plastic backing that is just so satisfying. Just feels so great to do. But yeah, stainless steel on the sides, and then everything is just made of glass, and it's very beautiful to look at, honestly. I mean, look at that grayish blue hue. It's just, I like how it's that muted blue, so it's very beautiful. But let me go ahead and put this down before I scratch it, because of course you can't go with a phone without a case. And if you're like me, I always put a case on my phone. I got this one off of Amazon. Let me go get it really quick. And here it is. It's the Adili's space case. I got this recommended to me off of Amazon. I believe it was Amazon's choice, and it had a good rating, about 5 stars, close enough. And yeah, it's a pretty clear case. I believe they make cases for other phones, and yeah, they have all the different cases. There it is. It's for fashion, obviously. But yeah, it's supposedly shatterproof, and it's good for high distances. So if you do accidentally drop your phone, it will not break. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside and see what it looks like on the iPhone 12. Oh, come on. You know this can't be an unboxing video without me like struggling to open a piece of cardboard, but there's the case. Let's go ahead and put this away. Nothing else in the box. And then just safely place those wires really quick, and then let's get this side. So yeah, this is it comes with the case, obviously, and then it's gonna have the cleaning products on the inside, so the wipes and that little sticker that gets off for dust protection. And I believe it also comes with screen protectors as well. Yeah, they're gonna be right there in the box. And then for this video, we're also gonna be doing a quick application process, so that way we could get the phone nice and clean, get that dust protection, that little sticker, to just get that phone streak pretty squeaky clean, and then we can apply the screens, get that case on there, and then we'll be ready to go to show the world, hey, I got a new iPhone 12 Pro Max, that blue hue, shiny, brand new, and it'll stay like that for a very long time. So let's go ahead and get started, and I gotta do my diligence, gotta get that a good accuracy going, just so no air bubbles get caught in the screen protector, or maybe if it's angled a little off. But I think I can do it. I've seen some videos online on how to apply that perfectly, but I don't think I'll ever be as good as those people, because my hands do get a little shaky sometimes. I get nervous, stage fright, but this is my first time doing it on camera, so either way, if you guys believe in me, which I hope you do, don't jinx me, but I think I can do it, so let's get this started. Alright, and that wasn't so bad. I thought it was going to turn out terrible. I thought this phone was going to catch on fire if I was playing with this thing, but actually no, it actually turned out pretty okay. So, hey, that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead and power this up. I know certain phones, especially if they're brand new in the box, sometimes they'll come fully charged. Sometimes if they're sitting in the box for so long, as you can see in the corner, like it's only half charged. So, either way, it's not gonna hurt me that much. But I am gonna invest in that MagSafe wireless charger because that looked really cool in the commercial, and personally, I kind of want it. But yeah, let's go ahead and pick a language. English is mine. Country or region. So yeah, United States. Quick start. Obviously, it's the same thing that the little manual will tell you. And then there's the Wi-Fi networks. Obviously, I'm doing this from work, so I gotta go through all the ones, pick mine, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna tell you a lot of different things, a lot of information, especially if you're moving phones. It'll give you the option to transfer all your data to phones. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and just skip the quick start. But if you are starting a new phone, this is what you're gonna see. And yeah, let's go ahead and skip that. There's more information, accessibilities, and then it's giving me the Wi-Fi options. I'm gonna skip that because my Wi-Fi is just not working over here. Alrighty, and then here is the data and privacy. This is the one that goes into the Face ID system, to the passcode system. But pretty much I went with the Face ID just so I haven't really done something like this before, so couldn't really record it, but pretty much it was just me twirling my neck. You've probably seen the adverts of trying to catch the jawline, the chin, the mouth, the nose, the eyes. But yeah, it was catching pretty much even my double chin, so it'll definitely recognize that. I'll tell you what. But that being said, guys, that's probably going to be the end of this video. Let's go ahead and get to the end card and say my final thanks. Faded transition. What smartphone do you want to be the next daily driver in your pocket? Do you prefer iPhones or Android? Let me know in the comments down below. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video whenever I make a new one. Take care of yourself and each other. I'll see you later.